If you're looking for the best whole life insurance companies in the USA in 2026, here's the truth. This is not something you choose quickly because whole life insurance is not just protection. It's a long-term financial decision. You're locking in a policy that can last your entire life, build cash value, and even act as a financial asset over time. So choosing the right company matters a lot. Here are three of the best whole life insurance companies right now. Clearly explain so you know exactly which one fits you. Let's start with one of the strongest names in the industry, Northwestern Mutual. This company is known for one thing above everything else: financial strength. It has one of the longest track records of stability and dividend payments in the industry. That means if you're thinking long-term, this is a very solid option. Its whole life policies are designed to grow cash value consistently over time, and that's important because part of the value of whole life insurance is not just the death benefit, it's the money you build inside the policy. This makes it ideal for people who want security, predictability, and long-term growth. It's not the cheapest option, but it's one of the most reliable. Now let's move to a company known for flexibility, New York Life. This is one of the largest mutual insurance companies in the United States, and what makes it stand out is customization. You can adjust your policy based on your goals: more cash value, more protection, or a balance of both. It also offers strong dividend performance and different ways to use your policy over time. This makes it a great option if you want control. If you're the type of person who wants to tailor your financial strategy, this is one of the best choices. Finally, let's talk about a company that balances performance and accessibility. MassMutual is known for strong cash value growth and competitive policies. A very well-rounded option. You get solid financial backing, good long-term performance, and flexible policy options. It also tends to be a bit more accessible compared to some of the more premium providers. So if you want strong performance without going too complex, this is a great middle ground. Now, here's what actually matters when choosing whole life insurance. First, financial strength. You need a company that will still be there decades from now. Second, cash value growth. This is what turns your policy into more than just insurance. And third, flexibility, because your financial situation will change over time. So which one is the best? The first option is best for long-term stability. The second is best for customization. The third is best for balance and performance. The bottom line is simple: whole life insurance is not just about coverage, it's about building something over time. And if you choose the right company from the start, you're not just buying insurance or building a long-term financial tool.